So this first video is the setup for the freeze frame edit that you're doing for this week. So the first thing you need to do is, if you go to Tuesday, there is a file here called FFE Media. If you click on it, it's got sound effects, emojis, music options, and it has this skating clip. Everybody is going to need this skating clip. So you need to go here, click on it, click on down here, right underneath it, so that it downloads. You can tell that it's downloading up here. Okay, we're going to go back. Now we're going to open up the sound effects. You need 3 different sound effects. So you can pick any of these 3. If you want to click on them and hit play, you would be able to hear it. Okay, so if you would like to do that, but basically you need to download 3 of them for your project. So it's basically, you're going to click here, you're going to click and then click underneath it just like you did before. I like the vintage Nintendo ones because I'm vintage, I guess. And one more. We'll do correct answer because there's some cool things in the clip. So you're going to download those 3. All right, then you're going to go back and there are emojis. You will need 3 emojis for this project, 3 different ones. So I'm going to use my sad eyes. Just this one now, you have to right click, save image as. And for right now, we'll put it in our downloads folder because I haven't showed you how to create a new folder. So in your downloads folder, you can just hit. So now we need 3 of these, same way. I always roll my eyes. I'll go with that one. And the last one, I will pick the heart. Right click, save image as, make sure it says downloads, and hit save. All right, and the last thing is you will need 1 piece of music. So if you go to the music options, there's a little bit of, hopefully a little bit of everything. I'll go with No Church in the Wild, and I'm going to download it. All right, so now I have downloaded all of the assets that I need for this file, for this project. So we're going to go ahead and minimize this for the moment. And if you have your desktop here, you can left click the File Explorer. All right, and now you should have by now created a folder on OneDrive. So if you go to OneDrive, I need you to go to that folder. And then in here, I want you to make a folder called Freeze Frame Edit. Okay, so I've already made mine, but basically, if you need to make one, if you click on the new folder, change the name so that you have that. Okay, I'm going to make this a little smaller. Oops, sorry. And then I'm going to right click and click on File Explorer so that I get a second window. And I will show you why, and we'll make it easier. So on this one, I want to go to my downloads folder because I just downloaded all of this stuff, right? So remember on this one here, on this File Explorer, you're in OneDrive, and then we need to be in Freeze Frame Edit. And now, if I take and I click on the new window, and then I hold down the Shift key, I can select all of these at the same time and click, hold, and drag them over to my folder. That will make it so that you don't get any missing video or assets in your files, etc. So we're going to go ahead and click that. And now we are ready to start our project. So if I go here to Premiere and double click, if you have to search for it, you're opening Premiere. Okay, I'm going to go to File, New, File, New, Project. I'm going to name it Freeze Frame Edit. I'm going to make sure my location, so I'm going to choose my location. I'm going to go to OneDrive, TV Production, Freeze Frame Edit. So in here you can see that it's called where it's going and say Select Folder. We'll select our media to bring in. By going to Home, my TV production, my Freeze Frame Edit folder, and then select the ones that you want to bring in. Okay, so all of those are there, and hit Create. Okay, so now if you follow along in the second video, you will, we'll do one more thing on this video, but the second video will show you what you're doing. Now that all of this is in here, we're going to take and select it all, hit backspace to delete it. All right, I'm going to go to File, Save, and we will continue with the next video.